In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save custom default properties to an object. To set your own custom default properties, we first need to add an object that we want to set our properties for. For this example, I'm going to add a patio. By default, you can see what material that the patio uses. I'm going to change the properties for this tutorial to show that we can use a different custom properties that we have selected. As you can see, I changed all the materials and the properties of the patio for this example. To save your custom default properties, we're going to click on this drop-down arrow to the right of the layer drop-down, and then select Save Default Properties, and click Yes. I'm going to start a new project to show that the new properties have been saved. Go to Patio. As you can see, the patio is now using the properties that we selected earlier. To restore it to the default materials and properties, we can click on the drop-down arrow again, and then select Reset Default Properties. Click Yes. And then when we use the patio again, we can see that it's now using the default properties again. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions about our software, please visit ideaspectrum.com or email support@ideaspectrum.com.